What a wonderful world.
Hi guys, and welcome to another travel vlog. So it is 7 o'clock in the morning and we're here in Mahabaleshwar for my mom's pre-birthday getaway. My mom, my dad and me are here. We actually got here last afternoon at like 12 and we just chilled the whole day. I slept in the car for like 4 hours and then we came here and then I slept here from 3:30 till 7:30 and then again at 10 o'clock I passed out. So I was literally just sleeping the whole day. So today we're actually going to do something, so I thought I should pick up the camera and start vlogging. I'll tell you what the agenda for today is in a while. Let me go and just get ready for the day. Also, this is our view. This is our little like backyard space in our hotel. I am almost ready. I still need to do my eye makeup, which is like one of the most important parts of like my makeup routine. So in order to do my eye makeup, I'm going to be taking up the Keep It Colossal challenge by Maybelline New York. So basically I'm supposed to spin this wheel and whatever look shows up is the look that I have to create. And in order to create this look, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Colossal combo right here. So this is what the Maybelline Colossal on the go kit looks like. It has the Maybelline Colossal Kajal, the Colossal Bold Eyeliner and the Colossal waterproof mascara. Not just that, this kit also comes with a free mask. So let's get started. I am hoping for the classic wing eyeliner look because that's very much in my comfort zone, but whatever the wheel picks, I will create. Just gonna look away and spin. So this is the one that the wheel picked. It's called the Natural Liner for like a meeting look. I think this look will be really cute on my outfit as well. So let's recreate it. I'm going to start off by using the Maybelline New York's Colossal Bold Liner. This is a waterproof and smudge proof liquid eyeliner. So this has an intense black payoff and it also lasts up to 24 hours. The brush tip applicator makes the whole process of application very easy. It's great for the daily use. Glides on like liquid and sets into a bold stroke. I've recommended this product to you guys quite a few times in the past as well and this never fails me. I'm gonna be using the Kajal next. So here we have the Maybelline Colossal Kajal. This again lasts for 24 hours. It's smudge proof and waterproof. Now this product is nourished with aloe vera, vitamin C and vitamin E to soothe the eyes and nourish your eyes. Also, as you saw, it's an intense black fix formula and it gives a beautiful black shine. Now to smudge this, I am using a mini brush. You can also use a earbud if you don't have a brush. And finally, to seal everything in, I'm going to be using the Maybelline New York's Colossal Waterproof Mascara. Now this lasts up to 12 hours and it is waterproof, sweat proof and smudge proof. Now this mascara is a one-stop solution for 2x volume. Also this has 2x collagen in it. So this is my finished look. There are some amazing offers running on this combo, so I'm going to make sure to link its Amazon link in the description box below. Definitely go check it out. So we just got done with our breakfast. Do you want to tell them where we're going right now?
So we are going to Kars Plateau.
For you, because she really wanted to go to Kars Plateau. So if you don't know what Kars Plateau is, I'll leave their website, official website in the description box below. But basically there are just going to be a bunch of flowers that bloom during this time of the year, right? Okay, so we have reached the Kars Plateau and my mask is off because there's no one around me. Basically, we from Mahabaleshwar till Kars Plateau, it's 1.5 hours and we rented a car and a local driver because they told us that the roads weren't the best and the roads were actually pretty good, like they were nice roads, but it's like a ghat road, right? So it's nice to have professionals drive you there. Other than that, it was 20 rupees for the entry and 20 rupees for the bus to like take you till the plateau. Oh, and then you have to make a separate online booking also, which I was coming to, for 100 rupees. So overall like 200 rupees mein you will be able to come here.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. Ooh,
So we're almost done with the Kars Plateau. Is there something that you want to tell everyone that they shouldn't do?
One precaution when you come here, in the sense not precaution but
Something you should not do.
So there are walk walkways.
Paths, yeah.
Walkways, paths. So you should walk on that only, because these are very delicate plants and flowers, and if you go inside, you stamp on it and it won't grow then. So protect.
Yeah, and also don't litter, obviously.
Yeah.
But overall, I think it's pretty well maintained. I couldn't see a lot of litter. Some places there is like, I found like wrappers in flowers. So don't do that, obviously, that goes without saying. And don't walk on flowers. Even if you want to take pictures, stand on the walkways and then take pictures. Yeah. Okay, so I don't know if I mentioned this to you guys earlier or not, but basically it's been raining a lot the last few days, so there aren't as many flowers as usual. But if you were to visit it in like other circumstances, this is what the plateau looks like. It's very, very beautiful. I mean, regardless, I'm not upset about like the flowers not being here. It's very beautiful. I think my dad is vlogging.
I'm so amused to see Piyush vlogging.
Okay, if you do end up coming here, 2 things to remember. First thing, carry a chhatri because it's very sunny, especially if you come 11 to 3 ke batch mein, or a hat. And wear comfortable shoes. My mom's really pissed at me since morning that I'm wearing sandals, but I'm comfortable. But yeah, carry sport shoes. Picked up this Khas Plateau mug for memories. So we're back and it is 8:15 right now. So it's been approximately 12 hours since I have my colossal combo and it stayed really, really well. Now I'm gonna go and change and then we're gonna head for dinner. Good morning and welcome to the next day. So no plan for today. Actually, we had mainly come here for the Khas Plateau, and after that everything is just going to be like random chilling days. So one thing that I forgot to mention, I should have probably mentioned that in the beginning of the video, is that Mahabaleshwar mein network issues बहुत ज़्यादा है. मेरा phone तो is not working at all. Like there's no signal. Forget about 4G. There's no signal at all. So thank God my dad has a spare phone जिसमें Jio का SIM है. So that works at like certain locations, not everywhere. So definitely keep that in mind. So we are in the car right now and we've decided to go to the market. We don't have like a specific plan in mind. We're just gonna roam around. So we have no idea where we are going because किसी का भी phone नहीं चल रहा है. So we're just gonna ask around and try to find our way. So रास्ता ढूंढते ढूंढते we found this guy who's making Maggie on the side of the road and it looked so yummy. So I convinced my mom and she allowed me to have a little bit of Maggie. So he's making it right now. I'll show you what it looks like. It's the perfect like mausam to have Maggie because it's raining and Maggie and like monsoons go hand in hand.
Maggie and monsoon.
My mom doesn't like Maggie at all. Tell them how you would never let me have Maggie when I was young.
Yeah, we never used to buy Maggie at all. Just one pack over maybe 2-3 months.
Yeah. So my nanny would, like, did you know nanny would buy it and feed me Maggie? So we're back in the hotel and I did not vlog in the market because there were a lot of people and I got really awkward. But we just did very basic like Mahabaleshwar things. We went to Mapro and then we also played those games wo jo khelte hai na wo. And then we just shopped a little bit. Actually, I'll do like a very mini haul of the things that we bought. Mostly it's like food items, so I won't like show a lot of that, but I'll show you the other things. Okay, so it's really cold, so I put on like a sweatshirt. But mini haul matlab I literally have 2 things to show you guys. We did pick up a lot of like things to eat, but these are like the 2 interesting things. So the first thing that I picked up is this kurti. Mummy, a chicken curry cheke Lucknowi. I think this is a chicken curry kurti. It's very pretty. It's not like a straight cut kurti. It's like singed at the waist. It's very cute. I'll wear it soon, hopefully. And then we have this thing from Mapro, which matches the kurti. These are the Fruitables guava fruit snack. I was expecting this to be like fruit for some reason. These are like falero jeva jato. So that's it for my haul. Now let's go make some chai. Hi guys, so welcome to day 3, technically day 4, but we'll just go with day 3. So today was actually supposed to be the last day of our trip. We were supposed to leave this morning, but instead of going to Mumbai, we came here to Lonavala. So we drove from Mahabaleshwar to Lonavala for approximately 3.5 hours, and we're just gonna stay here, chill for one more day. There's no agenda for today as well. We just got into our new hotel room and we ordered some food, a pizza and some salad to maintain the balance. And after that, I think I'm gonna draw myself a bath because there's a bathtub right here in the balcony. So I'm gonna use that. And उसके बाद पता नहीं क्या होगा, but जो भी होगा, I will vlog it.
I hear from your passion. My doubts are gone.
Whoever is going to lose will pay for dinner for my beer.
Fail.
Best of 3 day.
Best of 3.
Not bad.
कितना हुआ टोटल?
यहाँ पे हुआ 3, यहाँ पे हुआ 4.
7
तो भावना आराम से मार देंगे. मेरा तो मेरा उसका ही 1 पॉइंट है.
It's the last day of the trip. We're checking out in 30 minutes right now. Just wanted to come on here and end the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this family travel vlog. I tried to vlog as much as possible, and I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm gonna make sure to link all the details of my travel in the description box below. Definitely consider promoting and supporting your local travel. Local tourism is what I meant, but obviously make sure to do it in a safe manner. Make sure that you are vaccinated. Make sure that you also take the RT-PCR test. We did that as well. We're gonna take another one ghar pe pahunch ke, and yeah, wear your mask all the time, sanitize, just make sure to stay safe. And I think with that, I'm gonna end the vlog. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.